Bonjour! Today I would like to share with you 7 ways of remembering the 13 verbs with the past tense, passé composé with être. You know that they are not easy to be remembered. So, first of all, you are watching French Action and my name is Jenny. Welcome! I have come up with 7 ways: opposite, a poem, pictures, mnemonics, colors, a story, numbers. Well, I hope that one of these ways will work for you. Let's discover them. Here's the mnemonics. Mr. Mad t'espargne. M pour mourir, R pour retourner. Then we have mad, M pour monter, A pour aller, D pour descendre, and then t'espargne, T pour tomber, E pour entrer, S pour sortir, P pour partir, A pour arriver, R pour rester, N pour naître. A poem may be a good way of remembering those verbs. Here's a poem I've written for you. Je suis sortie du lit, je suis allée faire pipi. Je suis descendue, je suis venue. Je suis arrivée tout nu. Je suis restée, je suis montée. Je suis retournée au lit. Je suis entrée dans un rêve. Je suis née à Genève. Je suis partie à Paris. Aïe, je suis tombée du lit. Je suis mort de rire. This is the story of an old man, right in the middle of winter. He wanted to go to the other side of this mountain. So, one day, he went out. He left early to go to the other side of the mountain. So he went up, and when he reached the top, he stayed there for half an hour, just to relax because he was a little bit tired. Then he decided to continue his little trip. So he went down the mountain, but he went down so fast that he fell, and he just arrived at the bottom of the mountain. In a way, that was good for him because he arrived more quickly. And he reached this little cabin you can see on the right. So he decided to enter the cabin. As he entered it, he noticed first that there was a bird dead not far. But then he realized that not too far from the bird was another one which was born. So he said, all right, that's enough. I'm going back home. So he returned to his home. I hope you enjoyed this story, but really the idea is for you to have a visual and to come up maybe with your own story if you like. And you're going to see how easy it is to remember those verbs. Je suis retournée à Paris l'année dernière et je suis allée à la Tour Eiffel. Je suis montée au 2e étage de la Tour Eiffel par l'ascenseur, puis je suis descendue par l'escalier. Quand je suis arrivée au rez-de-chaussée, je suis tombée. Je suis restée à terre à cause de la douleur, sans bouger. Une employée est partie appeler de l'aide en disant « Elle est morte, elle est morte !» Les secours sont venus. Un médecin est sorti du véhicule et est entré à l'intérieur pour me soigner. Coup de fil d'un hôpital au docteur. Votre fils est né. Félicitations. We've come to the end of the video. Did you like it? If you did, please like it and also leave a comment. Let me know which way has worked for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Au revoir!